Your voice is very sweet.
If you have something to lose, then you are losing her.
It was foretold in the land of Turuil. In some centuries to come, a child is going to be born.
How would you title that story?
I can just look into fate's eyes as she cries of hunger.
My Pakalo company is dead.
My king, you talk too much.
This child will end up jailing the mother, life imprisonment with hard labor.
I will deal with you, like a little bomb baby.
Without me, there is no test.
How dare you talk to me like that?
I will talk to you like that.
You don't walk out on me. I've been on listening.
Go home! Go home! Go home!
They call it prophecy, but we call it LAHAZIBSI. The mystery. Showing each and every Thursday on ZA TV, 8 to 8:30 p.m. Don't miss it.